Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I want to tell you something. This app to make 1.2 million agent to each other. Easy to use for this app and training session. See on my screen the training session of Jupiter, HDFC, Angel, Axis, 1 lakh for month. How to earn. Do like any update, like and follow the update more. Just go to the screen. Insurance partner course, training section, many other are provided by you. Complete the training section and earn leads. I am opening for leads for you. Just some blur for personal information. Just take it. Every attractive incentive payout. Attractive incentive for this app. Any kind update, just do it. Subscribe this channel and any update, follow me. Just go to sell option and sell. Please follow terms and conditions, guys, and earning your source completely. Terms and condition benefits under watching everything for app details. Please follow and clear update. Every Indian daily product sales and account finance everything customer benefit thumbnail theme. Are you sure? Yeah, just see 400 rupees for Bajaj selling ICIC M stock Kotak. My favorite is Kotak account. Kotak zero balance account is very easy to use and any other Indians. Simply to check the pin code and check out. Share Kotak products, Kotak themes, etc. Just see WhatsApps and share option Kotak 8 pin account, Kotak YouTube videos on Kotak, everything. And I want earn Kotak account. 550 is both old earning and Jupiter be 600. Sell and earn, free charge, Flipkart, others car insurance, many others option for use, investment options, age, field details, and many others product to sell on Gromo Finance. Just simply my old account, just reward brand product. You need to PAN card and bank account to credit our amount. 5% TDS had been debited your account. You have all earning to 5% of TDS had been debited in account. Just simply debited your 5% TDS and credit your amount. Just app enterprises access and share your app and earn money. Just don't worry, easy to use, friendly app. Just earn money for your help. For beginner, any update, WhatsApp me on DM. Go to dashboard. Every else you need to help this app. Simply search on content, Gromo training section, post, branches, banking, credit card, DMAC, greeting, awareness, credit card, insurance, many other products and sale on WhatsApp. Easy to use, but only shared and earn for money. Just go on app, download on link and attractive incentive. Just go for any update for app on WhatsApp. Don't so hope, simple to use and easy to earn. No matter is what the situation is, every grow you and help other and support each other. Just enjoy your life.